Why the Igbos accept every slap that Nigeria give to them? Why the Igbo choose to be at the point where Nigeria kept them? Why the Nigeria law does not work for Igbo people? My people, so many questions to answer because a lot of things are going. You see this NnamdiKanu case, forget about, leave about Biafra or Nigeria. This is a very clear message. This message is for those people who don't believe in what NnamdiKanu is doing. This is a clear message to you as an Igbo, Okechukwu, Ikechukwu, Emeka, as an Igbo man that you are. This country is not for you, believe it or not. If these people will be violating their own law, even the judge is confused. You know that what NnamdiKanu is saying is true, but you don't know what to do. Let me tell you something. Our brother, whether they call Nosonkwa, the guy don't call chair, no, he give all the whole Igbos. He don't call chair for Nigeria government, tell them say wetin dey happen. I want you to watch this video I'm going to show you. Please share this video immediately you don't watch am.
Ịma ọ na-ewute na obodo abụ Nigeria oge ụfọdụ ọ dịka iwu emere na this country for the poor, you know, emere iwu for the poor. And when you critically analyze ihe na-eme na this country, gị chọpụta na some people ndị trustro that can deliver you from the hands of ndị rich men, the politicians in the Buego Nigeria name intimidate people that you trusted that will deliver you from their hands. Some of them will end up disappointing you. You know, some of them will end up disappointing you. NnamdiKanu ana deny bail. Now jump pro bail. NnamdiKanu no kataro jump or bail. NnamdiKanu deny bail today. No jump pro bail 2017. No question court, no be court. You know, NnamdiKanu or no kataro jump or bail. NnamdiKanu can rebel. See ana be court. Orube humbe aga be court. Ndị army awabo family NnamdiKanu wabo his father's compound. Buo ndị IPOB. Also some mado onye aga asị so oshishi ka ị ga-asị na ị ga-egbu ya kwuru ofu ebe. So oshishi ka ị ga-asị na ị ga-egbu ya kwuru ofu ebe. Amami na ghọta. In deny NnamdiKanu bail. Owu in na this country. Are you not in this country? Mgbe ndị army wagburu this man, this innocent man. Ganu lo babushi and followers ya. Was it the plan of your people or the plan of the North or the plan of the federal government? Ole yo je wutunu na NnamdiKanu gbara ọsọ mgbe ndị amị gara n'ụlọ ha. Ole yo je wute federal government na NnamdiKanu gbara ọsọ ndụ. Kedu ihe o je wute ha? Somebody na-enwe ihe o mere. Somebody aka ya dị ọcha. Somebody asịrị aka na-ede ikpe. Ndị amị aga gbaa ụlọ ya gbagbuo ndị mmadụ, gbuo people. Gịsị NnamdiKanu agbara ọsọ. Ọ bụrụ na ọ nwụrụ anwụ, obi adị unu mma. Unu agbabanye ihe unu na-achọ n'ahụ NnamdiKanu, nke a wee eziokwu. Unu agbabe ndị Igbo ihe unu na-achọ n'ahụ NnamdiKanu. I don't understand it. O jump pro bail. Can you the circumstances so you jump pro bail? Ọnọdụ ka probably mmadụ abịa court, mmadụ ebe mmadụ ikpe na court, onye ahụ abịa court. Ọ bụ agaghị ajụ ajụjụ kedu ihe mere na onye abịa court? Onye ọnọkọtara ọbịa court. Onye ọnọkọtara ọbịa court. Or jump pro bail. Or who now had the circumstances leading to the jumping of bail of NnamdiKanu? Was it deliberate? Was it intentional? Was it not caused by the federal government of Nigeria? Was it not caused by the same people? Was it not caused by the same people? Who now said NnamdiKanu jump pro bail? NnamdiKanu na jump pro bail or who numeroji jump pro bail for crying out loud? Nigeria! I would cause it. Unu chọsiri ka egbuo ya. Dara bụrụ na egburu Nnamdi Kanu, obi adị unu mma. Unu ekpegbuo unu n'ikpe, unu na-ekpegbuo unu n'ikpe. Dasa bụrụ na egburu Nnamdi Kanu, obi karịa dị Nigeria mma. Somebody anara n'aka ebe o. Si mgbe dị ụtọ ya bịa court. Ya eru mgbe o kwesịrị bịa court. Mgbe o kwesịrị bịa court erubeghị. Gịnị ka ndị amị chọrọ bịa na be ha? Ndị amị Nigeria ha chọrọ gịnị bịa na be Nnamdi Kanu? Unu jiri ekwu na ọ jọmpụrụ be ya. The court is the last hope of the common man. All we have kushirani. That was what we were taught. That the court is the last hope of the common man. Or when he killed Banya, now the circumstances. Nnamdi Kanu jiri jump or bear. Ndị army waburu ụlọ ha gbuo ndị ha gburu. Onwene ka Nigerian government isi call on the army India to prosecution. Onwene ka esi mee anybody arrest. Onwene onye take responsibility. Onwene onye atara ahụ. Onwere onye gara ụlọ ikpe. Onwere onye atụrụ mkpọrọ maka ihe ndị egburu n'ụlọ Nnamdi Kanu na 2017. Mbunu si na jump bear. Unu plan igbu ye, but by the special grace of God, he escaped. Now, escape in omere, wekuni iwe. Escape in omere, wekuni iwe. That is why you cannot grant him bail. Ademma. Ihe onye metara n'ụwa. I know they are finally na mgbe ikpeazụ. That is my joy. Ihe onye metara n'ụwa. Ọ ga-anụ dị ya finally na nke ikpeazụ. Ndị amị aga na be Nnamdi Kanu afarukwu ụmụahịa gbagbuo ndị IPOB gbuo people. Nnamdi Kanu eme escape. Ọ bụrụ na ndị amị awakpoghị Nnamdi Kanu, ọ Nnamdi Kanu ọ wakaghị na abịa court, ọ kara jump bail. No, that is the answer. No. O nwere ihe mere ndị amị wakporo be ha? Mba. Ndị egbu ekwutere okwu ha? Mba. Ekwuteghị okwu ha na. After all, how would Igbo? No, they are coming from a part of the country where that are rejected. So how
anytime Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go to court, it become a very sad day to some people. Nigeria government do not even know that the game they are playing is a very dangerous one. Any day Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go to court and you people deny Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bail, you are creating more people to believe what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is doing. This is one thing the Nigeria government do not even know. You are building more people, that you are building more army that will join Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whether it's still in your hand or not in your hand. This is one thing you people do not know. However, I want you to share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section as it is hot. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. What we are asking for is only the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'll be using this platform to preach, to tell these people who have given them so many expos, like the way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu teach them today in the court, teaching them their own law. I'm going to leave the video to play at the end of this video for you to hear what is teaching them their own law in their own court today. So try to watch our previous videos and share.
But that's what you wrote. You said here, my law, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I've said earlier, bail is a discretion of the court, taking into consideration all the conditions laid down in Muhammad Abacha v. State. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determine the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June. My lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump bail. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel is here.